Hi, greetings. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Ivy, the Regional Sales Manager for Bicheng PCB. Today, we will discuss RO3206 high-frequency circuits, which are ceramic field laminates reinforced with woven fiberglass. These materials are engineered to offer exceptional electrical performance and mechanical stability at competitive prices. RO3206 high-frequency materials have one distinguishing characteristic: improved mechanical stability. RO3206 laminates combine the surface smoothness of a non-woven PTFE laminate for finer line etching tolerances with the rigidity of a woven glass PTFE laminate. These materials can be fabricated into printed circuit boards using standard PTFE circuit board processing techniques. RO3206 laminates are manufactured under an ISO 9002 certified corrosion system. Let's take a closer look at these properties. The dielectric constant is an important property of this material. At a frequency of 10 GHz and a temperature of 23 degrees Celsius, the process dielectric constant is 6.15 plus and minus 0.15 in the Z direction, as measured by the IPCTM 650 2.5.5.5 clamp strip line test method. For design purposes at frequency between 8 GHz and 40 GHz, the dielectric constant in the Z direction is 6.6 and is measured using the differential phase length method. The dissipation factor is another important property. At a frequency of 10 GHz and a temperature of 23 degrees Celsius, the DF value is 0.0027 in the Z direction, as measured by the IPCTM 650 2.5.5.5 test method. The thermal coefficient of dielectric constant is minus 212 parts per million per degree C in the Z direction, as measured at a frequency of 10 GHz and the temperature range of 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, using the IPCTM 650 2.5.5.5 test method. Dimensional stability is another important property of this material. In the X and Y directions, the dimensional stability is 0.8 mm per meter when measured using CONDA of the ASTM-D257 test method. The RO3206 also has good electrical properties. The volume resistivity is 10 raised to the power of 3 megacentimeter, and the surface resistivity is 10 raised to the power of 3 mega, both measured using CONDA of the IPC 2.5.17.1 test method. The RO3206 has tensile modulus of 462 kPa/square-inch in both the MD and CMD directions, as measured at 23 degrees Celsius, using the ASTM-D638 test method. Water absorption is less than 0.1% when tested using D2423 of the IPCTM 650 2.6.2.1 test method. The specific heat of the RO3206 is 0.85 Joule per gram per Kelvin, calculated based on its chemical composition. The thermal conductivity of the material is 0.67 watts per meter per Kelvin at the temperature of 80 degrees Celsius, as measured by the ASTM-C518 test method. The coefficient of thermal expansion is 13, and 34 parts per million per degree C in the X, Y, and Z directions, measured at the temperature of 23 degrees Celsius and 50% relative humidity, using the IPCTM 650 2.4.41 test method. The TD, or thermal decomposition temperature, is 500 degrees Celsius. when measured using TGA test method according to ASTM D3850. The material has a density of 2.7 gram per cubic centimeter and is tan in color. The copper pure strength of the RO3206 is 10.7 pounds per linear inch when tested using 1 ounce ED copper after solder flow, as measured by IPCTM 2.4.8 test method. The material is also lead-free process compatible and has a V0 flammability rating according to UL94. We offer a variety of PCB options for RO3206, including single-sided, double-sided, multi-layer, and hybrid boards. Copper weights of 1 ounce and 2 ounces are available, as well as dielectric thicknesses of 25 mm and 50 mm. PCBs can be up to 400 mm by 500 mm in size, either as a single board or multiple tiles in a panel. Solder mask options include green, black, blue, yellow, and red. Our surface finish options include immersion gold, HASL, immersion silver, immersion tin, ENEPIG, OSP, bare copper, and pure gold plated finishes, all of which are designed to optimize performance and reliability. The screen showcases a 50 mm RO3206 PCB featuring immersion gold, meticulously crafted for microstrip patch antennas. There is a wide range of typical applications for RO3206 PCBs in encompassing areas, such as automotive collision avoidance systems, automotive global positioning satellite antennas, wireless telecommunication systems, direct broadcast satellites, datalink on cable systems, remote meter readers, power backplanes, LMDS and wireless broadband, base station infrastructure, etc. RO3206 materials are compatible with traditional electrolysis, copper, and direct deposit metallization processes. Cores should be baked prior to metal deposition unless plasma treatment has been used to prepare the whole walls for plating. Standard equipment and chemical processes are used to plate, image, and etch circuit patterns onto RO3206 materials. It is important to handle these processes with care to maintain the integrity of the post-etch laminate surface. The topography that remains after copper removal promotes improved adherence to solder mask. Well, this concludes today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.